What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you 4 easy ways to start making money online in 2019, even if you're broke. That's right, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so you're probably wondering why 4? Well, I was actually going to show you 3 methods, but then I came up with another method last minute and I said, why not? 4 is definitely better than 3. So, with that being said, I'm actually going to reveal you 4 methods. Keep in mind that some of these methods might take you a while, so if you're interested in building a real online business, a long-term business, and make some serious money online, you definitely want to check out my #1 recommendation in the link below here at the end of this video, of course. But for now, let's get started with making some money while we build our long-term business, and let's do it even if we are broke, as I said. Let's get started. Okay, so the first method that I'm going to reveal to you is you're going actually to go to offline businesses wherever you live. There is definitely some stores there that offer something, or a gym or something like that, and you're going to offer them services. Now, don't be scared that you're not skilled in doing this, because I'm going to show you the solution here, so stick with me and I'll explain everything here in detail. So the first thing, I just came up with the example here of gym, okay? So now I'm located in Greece here, so it will show up some Greek results, but you probably know that you heard of the Google, that they show you the relevant results here. If I'm tapping gym here, for example, I get 3 results, and I could actually start with these 3. Or I could just simply go out and have a look at popular streets and just see what kind of stores there is available there. Then I would actually just take notes. I will go home, have a look at if they have some online presence. If they don't, it's perfect idea to get started with. And you can actually sell anything to them, okay? And I mean anything, like you could offer them videos, you could offer them websites, you could actually offer them social media management, offering them a fan page, creating a fan page, a Facebook fan page, for example, Instagram account. It all depends on the actually what they offer. If they sell clothes, for example, then Instagram would probably be a good solution because there is a lot of pictures involved there. Also, of course, a Facebook page for clothes, why not? And have them actually offer that as a service, okay? Then you can go a step beyond and offer them PPC, which stands for pay-per-click, and you can offer them Facebook paid advertising. So let's say that you want to offer them a paid campaign, and you can say, okay, Mr. Client, if you want to have much better results than just a free version, we can actually do a campaign for you, a Facebook campaign here, and you will definitely get much better results. So it doesn't have to cost you anything. You can start off with $5 per day, and that is the truth also, okay? Because what you do in Facebook, you target only locally, okay? So it will be much cheaper there. So that is a perfect solution to get started with. So how do you go around with offering all those services? Now, really simple. You go to freelance sites like Upwork. Just to give you a quick example, you can find freelancers that are experts in doing this stuff. Let's say that you want a video editor. Now, I actually did a video about video editing where I offer my own course, Audio Video Mastery, so you don't have to actually hire someone. If you're interested, go that route. But let's say that you don't want to go that route and you want to just be the middleman. That's exactly what you are here. So we're talking about arbitrage, a bit of arbitrage actually. You're the middleman, and you hire someone to do the services here. You ask them first what it will cost, then you will get back to the client, and of course you will get a commission for that. So that is one solution, okay? Then you have, of course, Fiverr. So let's say social media promotion. You see there is social media manager, there is anything. You look at this, I will do organic YouTube promotion. So why not offer them, for example, that you will promote a YouTube channel, videos. Video is the second largest search engine today. Everyone is searching on YouTube. And there is no excuses, they don't need a website. They can just get started with videos. So why not offering them videos, okay? And if you don't, you can actually buy cheap videos here. Video. If I just type video, let's see here. Yeah. I will make a high quality video for 18 euros. This is around $20. 3 awesome video intros. You can sell video intros. So really there are no limits, to be honest. What you need to do is actually you will go out and talk to people. You will go out and talk and ask questions. Don't go in there and bombard them and say, hey, I can do this and I can do that and anything. Go inside and ask them a few questions. Some of them are busy, okay? We have to respect that. But just go in and say, if I take 2 minutes of your time and if you benefit from that, would it be okay to you if I just ask you a few questions? Yes or no, you will get some answers or come back later and so on. So you will need to learn about selling a little bit actually. That is the most important thing. And if he allows you, the client, if the client allows you actually to ask questions, make sure you have prepared a few questions that you can get the most out of that, okay? So by asking the questions, you will definitely get the answers also to what their needs are. Maybe they don't need anything, so what you do is you go to the next store. So don't limit yourself. Don't go to the store, go to the first floor where the dentists are or whatever. There are some offices. So don't limit yourself. Just take with you some cards out there with a number or a site if you have a presence. If you don't have a presence, that's fine. Go out and talk to those that are close to you, some friends that can help you. Maybe they know someone that needs some kind of a services. So that is the perfect way to get started to make money. And I think actually, to be honest, also the fastest way. Because they will pay you, okay? No doubt about it. You don't have to wait or something like that. If they are interested in a service, they will pay you. And what you do next is you go to a freelance site like Fiverr or Upwork, and you will actually purchase that service, okay, from them. So that is number one. Okay, the second method would be actually to sell on eBay. So, you probably know about eBay. They do have everything under the sun, both new and used stuff. So have a look at your own house. If you have anything to sell, I can guarantee you that there is probably well over 10 or 20 things that you really don't need, okay? Why not sell those things and buy something that you can use more instead, okay? Have a look at it. I mean, there is really no limits then to sell on eBay. Let's say here, for example, leather jacket. I can guarantee you there is definitely some used here. Leather jacket. There is some leather jackets. Now, I don't know actually, but here's actually new leather jackets for 20 and 28. So let me give you another idea here. I just came up with it right now. How about you offering this leather jacket to someone at your area and you actually sell it for, let's say, $40, okay? Take the risk and say, I can send you some pictures, use these pictures, send it via an email or something to your friend and say, I think this would be a perfect fit and I can actually sell it to you for $40, okay? So you see here it sells for $22.99. I don't know, I'm just taking up an example here. I don't know what the shipping costs are. So this could be actually another idea to arbitrage, okay? So have a look at what the needs are. And if you have open ears, you will definitely find a few things that people really need. So offer that. Go to eBay and have a look at it and say, hey, I found it what you're looking for and let me send to you. This is via a good friend of mine. You don't have to reveal, of course, that you get it for $22 on eBay, okay? But you can actually take these pictures, use them. You can see here, save image as, and download them and send them to your friend or whoever you want to sell them to. So it might be actually some client of you that asks for something that is offline. So why not go with that? Take with you your iPad or whatever you have, or your phone, show them the pictures. I'm not sure about if it is the leather jacket or whatever it's going to be. Show it to them and actually sell it to them. Say, hey, I can sell it to you for $40. You just made $20. It is really simple, guys. Don't overthink about this. Really simple. Go out, talk to people, and I can guarantee you will have things sold. So that was the second one, actually. Now the third thing is actually, which I usually share to you guys, and that is becoming a tester online. Okay, so you can actually go to Testing Time, for example, or we can have it usertesting.com. So you apply for 2 or 3 of those sites, and what you do here is you offer to be a tester, neither if it is a website or an app, and you will get paid. Okay, you can see here get paid to test. So you visit an app, you complete a set of tasks, and you get paid. And you can see here you get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20 minutes video you complete. So that is another option. Apply for 2 or 3 of those that you can get started with, even if you're totally broke. I think it's a perfect opportunity to get started with. And finally, method number 4, which is my preferred method, is actually affiliate marketing. And you can get started actually even if you're broke, because it doesn't cost you anything at all to get started with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you as an example here ClickBank. ClickBank is the largest digital affiliate marketing network. Pretty simple, because they have thousands of products in more or less all the niches here. So while the most popular is definitely make money online, health, wealth, and diet, I think probably. But there is a few niches here that you can definitely, if you are interested in to get involved in, you can make some good money as an affiliate for sure. So I'm going to take, let's see here, let's take health and fitness. Okay, so you can see here this is really a popular one. Now, how many of your friends don't want to lose weight? Okay, just think about it a little bit. Probably a lot, okay? So here is what you do. Hey guys, girls, I just found out a cool product and I'm going to start using it and blah, 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 blah. So what you can do is you can send them an email with your affiliate link there so you can start to make some money. All right? I just gave you up with the idea right now. So that is really how simple you can do it. Now, if you want to go the online route, it might take you a little while, is that you can get started with WordPress.com. It is a free blog. If you're good at writing articles, you can do that, but it will take you time. Also, another good option is actually Blogger.com. Blogger is owned by Google, so that will definitely might help you in rankings. But you need to post articles or videos. If you're good at videos, definitely do videos, of course. And just post your link there, okay? So I just found out this wonderful method on how to lose weight, and here is proof. And if you show a little bit, for more details, go here. Just do the pre-selling as an affiliate marketer, okay? Don't go in to sell the whole course or the whole product. We want to pre-sell them because they have spent thousands of dollars for the sales pages and they know how to sell. So let them do the selling and you do the pre-selling. So that is about affiliate marketing. Now my preferred method, actually, I would go a bit further, and what I would do is I would actually, I already showed you in the past here, but let me just show you again. This is, so we have the traffic here, okay? I'm sorry for the ugly writing. We have the traffic. I would drive it to an opt-in page, where I offer something for free, just like I usually do. I offer, for example, a free video, a case study, where I show you how to make $420 in less than 24 hours. In exchange for that, I want your email address, because I want you to be subscribed to my newsletter. And now why do I want that? Because I want to connect with you, and it is my preferred method because I can send you something else. Let's say that, for example, this video, I can send you an email and tell you that, hey, I just uploaded this video, so I'm not only selling, okay? Don't only bombard your list with offers all the day. So today we're selling weight loss, tomorrow make money online, the next day software and something like that. They should be related, okay? Create different lists if you want to. So when they have opted in, they can see the affiliate offer, okay? If you have your own product, you can actually show them your own product. Otherwise, let them show them the affiliate offer. Keep in mind, a lot of people don't buy here. So if you didn't go this route, you would have lost that traffic. Now, why lose that traffic? Why not have them and try to sell them? So you better connect with a list, talk to them a little bit, and then when they start to like and trust you, they will purchase from you. So that is the preferred method, and that is what I actually teach in my course, which is Daily List Profits. And a lot of marketers, you know, they always talk about the money's in the list. Why do you think they do that? Because it is the truth, and there is a reason for that. A list you can do whatever you want with, but let's say, for example, a fan page or something, if you just wake up one morning and Facebook tells you that, hey, you violated the rules here, we are closing your page. It happens to me twice, actually. It happens to me recently again for another page without knowing what I did. I tried to contact them and I just got an Autobot message. So goodbye to that page. But the list, you can always, as long as you back it up, of course, you're always in control of that list. So that is my preferred method, and if you're interested in it, have a look at it in my link that you will find here right below here in the description, of course. Alright, that's it. 4 easy ways to get started with to make money online in 2019, even if you're broke. Now, if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to both my channels that you will see at the end screen here. Don't leave yet. You'll find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Subscribe to both these channels. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.